Looky here, here we are, Odyssey of the Seas, docked in Coco Cay. Oh, it's gonna be a great day. Get ready for another perfect day at Coco Cay at Royal Caribbean's private island in the Bahamas. You gotta try a Coco Loco. Best Baywatch runs into the water, okay? I think a lemur could run better than this. Okay. Subscribe if you're new, and let's get the day going. What's up, guys, and good morning from Odyssey of the Seas. We're here today in a perfect day at Coco Cay. This is Royal Caribbean's private island here in the Bahamas. They've decked it out, they've tricked it out, and we're ready for an awesome day. Now, what are we going to be getting up to today, you might ask? Well, there's tons of fun out there on the island, and a lot of it is actually included in your cruise vacation. We've been here several times, we've brought you here several times, and I'm excited to get back. So we're definitely heading out. We're going to check out that Oasis Lagoon, the pool. We got to get us some Coco Locos, Mr. Peter. Hey, good morning. Are you ready for a perfect day at Coco Cay?
They played their song at like 7 a.m.
Did they really? No, I didn't hear it. Oh my gosh, I don't think I'd be very happy and bubbly if I heard that. No, it is, let's see, it's just after, what is it, about 8:45, I think? 8:49. 8:49, so we're heading up for breakfast this morning. We're gonna check out the Windjammer and get our day going. Let's do it, baby. Subscribe if you're new, hit that thumbs up button, and let's go. Who jams wind? They're bringing it back. Good morning. Well, Peter, they told us that there is 4,500 people roughly on board, and I think 4,000 of them are here right now. Yeah, this Windjammer is packed this morning, y'all. Ooh, but look at those pastries. Look at that one. Oh, dangerous. There it is. Coco Cay. Man, there's already a lot of people getting off this morning. Look at that. Ready for a perfect day. They make it too easy for me, sorry. Peter, what do you got? You found the $1 million donut. Oh.
See? They're hidden now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there is all this stuff over here.
Yeah, let me have a cinnamon donut.
See. Yep. I was not gonna be bad this morning. I swear, I was not gonna be bad. But Peter was a bad influence, okay?
Blame Peter.
It's all his fault. It's all his fault. Breakfast was good this morning. Really, really good. Had some good options. I ended up getting that dolce croissant. I didn't really care for it, but everything else was really good. Yeah, I liked it. Breakfast 2 thumbs up here. Coco Cay is one of those places that every time I visit, I don't know, I'm not bored with it. I'm always excited for it. Let me know, what is your favorite thing to do here at Coco Cay? Are you a water park kind of guy and you're like all about the water slides and the water activities, or are you more chill island and kicking back, relaxing, or maybe Oasis Lagoon with the pool bar? What's your cup of tea? Let me know down below. I want to hear from you. Hey friends, good morning. Good morning. We're getting off the ship. Here we are, you ready? Ready for a perfect day. So here is a Liberty of the Seas. This was not our favorite, but anyway, we're not on that one, so. What? I think they did give it a little upgrade.
On the top, where that big rust was on the...
It's gone.
It's gone.
So maybe they read our survey. You think they read our survey?
Survey that looks like a rust button. I'm sure they did.
Oh, here we go. That's okay, thank you. Coming into the island, there's lots to do, lots to see. Remember, when you're here, make sure you explore. Don't just go right to the pool and stay there all day. Check out the island, see what they've got. Don't skip out on the Thrill Water Park. I haven't done it in a while, and actually I was just thinking, man, I should have done it today. It's so much fun, even whether you're a kid or a kid at heart. Tallest water slide in North America right there. Definitely check it out. It is an upcharge, but I don't know, I think you should at least do it once. And opening this year, or no, I'm sorry, in January of next year, it will be Hideaway Beach, and we're pretty sure that's the bus stop for it. It's new, something new that they're building, so one can assume that's what that's gonna be. That's gonna be really neat. That will also be an upcharge, but you do get some food included with it, some other things, so we'll have to check that out when that opens in January of 2024, I believe. Look at this. It's a gorgeous day. Oasis Lagoon. We'll have to check the water out in a second. Is it hot? Is it cold? I don't know. It is, it's November right now, but you would not know it looking at this. All right, so here's our base. Peter and Reese just went to find some water. A bottle of water. So here's our little base. We're holding it up. David, Michael, Tracy, they're gonna make it out at some point. Maybe 3 o'clock before they do, but they'll make it at some point. Y'all going to get drinks?
No, merch.
Merch, okay, all right. I gotta get me a Coco Loco at some point. If you have not had a Coco Loco, you gotta try a Coco Loco here at Coco Cay. It goes without saying. It's the island's drink. You gotta get one. It's real, huh?
There's a guy right there.
Yeah, I'm about to flag him down. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? That's what they say. 1, 2, 3.
Once you go down and come back. Oh, absolutely. Do it higher up. Here, we'll get you a spot over here. Okay, here we go. Yay! Yay! Cheers! Woo! We got the Coco Locos! Good.
Man, I tell you what, Scott, they're pouring the Coco Locos today.
Coco Loco.
They are pouring. And I mean, like, they're pouring and forgetting that they're pouring, okay? Get you a Coco Loco here at Coco Cay. But maybe just get, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 17. You're not gonna make it if you get 17 of these things, babe. These are, yeah, they're good. Yeah, 1, yeah. Yeah, don't you dare double that shot, because they're gonna double it for you anyway. Woo! It is lunchtime here at Skipper's Grill on Coco Cay. Lots of yummy stuff here. Here they've got tacos. That's the only thing we didn't touch on yet. They've got freshly made tacos, tortillas. I think you can get chicken or beef. So yeah, homemade flour tortillas, chicken carnitas, or pork, it looks like today. Pork carnitas, very cool. So definitely gonna get one of those. I got a little sampler over here. Got a little chicken taco. I think this is barbecue chicken. This is the ribeye, shaved ribeye sandwich. It looked good, and I think I got it last time and really liked it, so I'm gonna give that a go. Of course, some corn, french fries, nothing special about that, so I'll let you know. All right, I can't believe I'm gonna say it. Lunch was really good. The ribeye sandwich was okay. The brownie actually was not good. I can't believe I'm saying it because I know. Normally I love the brownie, but not this time. I don't know, it was dry, it wasn't very good, so. Listen to Peter back there, the little brownie king. Hang on. What'd you say, Pete?
Ours were very moist and very flavorful, and there's caramel on the inside.
He's lying to you right now. Don't believe a word he says. Look at it. That is the face. That is the blurry face of a liar. That's a brownie liar right there. Look at him. Let's look up his nose. What has he got in there?
Hello. You have your little GoPro head strap, don't you?
Would you like it switched on?
It's on.
Okay, here you go then.
He has
Put
a
your
head
shades
strap
on. I don't want you to get.
for a GoPro.
I don't want your eyes to burn.
Ew.
This is no sand. This is in the shade. So much better.
That's
So they have a new pathway.
This is good.
This is a new pathway to South Beach.
Oh, okay, this is nice.
Yeah, the first time we did this.
I have no idea how we got here, so I could not tell you. I know it's near Up and Away. So
We walked down some sketchy paths.
there you go. Yeah, we're. Oh my gosh, we are literally
In
like.
the forest.
Jungle. Okay.
Oh,
We're
it's nice.
literally like in the middle of the jungle.
Oh, this is nice. I enjoy this.
Come on, guys, this way.
Josh does a bird.
Off the path.
It's definitely this way. And just like that.
Right, Josh?
Yeah, that's the ocean.
No, I'm just.
Are we able to go?
The real ocean.
That's the fake one.
Are we
Yeah.
able to go in the ocean?
We had some basketball down here at South Beach, some cornhole, some beach volleyball,
Restroom.
ping pong restrooms. The snack shack is here. Peter can get some more mozzie sticks.
Oh, yes.
I can't eat another thing right now.
I'm stuck.
Yeah.
Oh, the boat.
So, that's the floating bar. All right, boys, I want your best Baywatch runs into the water, okay?
No one wants to see this from the back.
I want your best Baywatch run into the water, Peter. Can you do it for us? Everybody on the video just thumbs it up because they want to see you run into the water like Baywatch. So they're all voting for you, so now you need to do it. Peer pressure works. Come on, Peter, let's do it.
All right, Reese, do it with me.
See what I mean? Ready, set, go, go, go! The Baywatch music is playing. There they go. There they go. They're going. They're still. You guys are horrible at this. Why are you so bad? I've never seen somebody run so bad. This is like. I think a lemur could run better than this. Okay.
Oh, that's close.
Kim.
Hello.
Me. Hello. Ready? You gonna go up? You wanna go up? You wanna go up? Ready? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hello. Look at this. This is a neat little game. So it says you have one chance to make each hole 1 through 9. In the hole 1 into hazard equals 2. Top score equals 9. Max score is 18. So you have 2 strings. I guess. All right. So I gotta go over there. So you. Oh. Oh, this is hard. So I guess you try not to get it into the hazard. Oh, 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 oh! And you have to work it up without. Oh my goodness! Now come over. Come on! Well, come on! Yay! That's pretty cool. What a fun game! I would never make it to number 9. There's no way. Did you know they have a Coco Cay shop? You can get little t-shirts or rash guards. This one's nice. $24.99, including the tax. What's that? Oh. Get you a Cocoa Beach Club towel. These are nice.
This one, right? Not that? Or that one?
The hoodie, I like that. I may have to get that. That's $39. Man, I really like that. Well, I think that does it for us today here on Coco Cay. Another perfect day. Thank you, Royal Caribbean. We had a blast, guys. Make sure when you come to Coco Cay, don't stay on the ship. Get out here, have some fun. There's plenty to do, plenty to see. And don't forget to have a Coco Loco.